handling their debts.
I wouldn't be surprised. They're probably right after Japan.
I think China has the majority of the debt, don't they?
I think so. I know Japan's number 2 right now.
Are they really?
Yeah, they got 200. It's some ungodly amount. It's like in the trillions.
And the yen is equal to the dollar.
No, okay.
Not?
No,
Not
so
anymore?
the yen was deliberately devalued for the past 50 years. And in order, you know, there was a trade-off. I'm reading a book about this shit. There was a trade-off. Okay, so back when Vietnam happened, there was a lot of shit that went down.
Damn.
In the process of that, the people that were in charge of America, all the countries that we went into and destabilized, they said in order to rebuild, you're gonna be our slaves.
You gonna be able to lock that thing down?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the sense to where, okay, so semiconductors and transistors, they were invented here, but we had to use the Asian people for their labor. Because at the time, you could pay them 19 cents an hour. Our greatest minds.
Well, the television and the radio were invented here, and then they sold the patent. You know, they sell it to overseas.
Yeah.
It doesn't really say go, but I guess.
Yeah. So when you,
everybody else is going.
I've been reading about this. When you deliberately chase after cheap labor, all the technology and the knowledge and all that other infrastructure that comes along with it, it goes with it.
Mm-hmm. The means of production.
Yeah. So if Tim Cook really came up with the iPhone here,
okay,
why aren't we making them here?
Exactly. Because they outsourced it because cheap labor and cheap resources and lack of environmental policies that allow them to just pollute.
Hell yeah.
We got kids in China at the Foxconn Tech plants with suicide nets trying to split suicide to leave the factory, and they're like, nope, you can't, got to get back to work. Can't commit suicide today.
Yeah, okay.
Your punishment is no break.
This hits closer to home. This hits closer to Austin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Intel.
Okay.
There's a reason why Donald Trump is trying to get a little tax off of that. There's a reason why those Texas Instruments.
Texas Instruments still around?
I don't know, but it's all this is all this shit originates from Texas. This is
General
bigger.
Dynamics.
It all comes from Texas. It's bigger than what you know. It's bigger than what you think. Texas was supposed to rebuild America. That's a fact. After COVID-19, the Energy Infrastructure Act was directly curtailed for the Texas business people. Infrastructure, construction. It's a fact. It wasn't for electric cars.
You ready to go through screening? We got to go through metal detectors and all that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I had this backpack.
All right.
Ain't nothing in there that's a personal issue besides the thumb drive with the Epstein files on it.
Yeah, they're not supposed to mess with that, and it's not supposed to be magnetic. It's like microwave or something.
No. I'm not a foreign spy that's trying to do all that shit. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if they start trickling in here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised.
But see that guy? He's like some Secret Service or something. See that guy? Some law enforcement of some sort. See him? Yeah. And then all these cars, see that black truck, truck, even the ones that are unmarked.
So the feds are here.
I mean,
so
the police are federalized. They're all working together.
So
it doesn't matter if it's state or local, they're all federalized now.
Yeah, let me lock up my bike because they know that the monetary system is taking a plunge. They know. They're not.
If you bring your water in, you're going to have to hide it. They may not let you take your water in.
So if that's the feds, then they know that the financial, the American dollar as we know is collapsing.
They don't care. They still take that dollar. As long as it works. It's basically been collapsed.
Yeah, I mean, you could say it's been collapsed, but now this is not a game. It's real.
But they've been telling me this for 20 years, and it hasn't collapsed. So it's like
collapse.
It's like a belief system. If you believe it's going to work, you take the paycheck, you got the direct deposit, you got the house, the car, the payments, all that. As long as it's working, then you can't believe that it collapsed. Even if it's upside down as a Ponzi scheme, it's still. And they create in the clearinghouses at night these banks and federal agencies like the Fed, the Federal Reserve. They create money in the middle of the night electronically that doesn't even exist.
Yeah, but there's a certain cap to that. Like you can't just. I mean, you can.
Is there?
Yeah, there is. There is.
Okay.
Like I'm not just making this.
Because they don't work for the government. Technically,
No,
they're bankers.
independent.
Yeah, they're independent.
They're independent. It's global. It's global.
Even though Trump just fired one of them.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. You don't even have the power to do that.
How does that work? We were talking about that earlier. I don't know how this shit works.
Yeah. If those are the feds, then they know. That's probably why they're here.
We're gonna sneak through here. Don't talk to them too much.
Okay.
You know how
Yes,
they
sir.
are. They're
I
a
got
bunch
it.
of deep. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving suggestions.
Yep.
They've arrested me for a lizard. I've already sued them. I've been through it all. Like I said, they kicked me and my friend out of the house because I'm pressed. They kicked me out for being pressed. I said, okay. They said their rule. I said, well, your rule violates the Constitution. And they said, yeah, we know. I'm like, okay, good. I'll see you in court. I don't fucking. You don't need to get arrested or get ticketed for them to deprive you of rights enough to sue.
Yeah.
And that's what I am, is litigious. I'll sue.
Yeah. So Texas has fallen.
Yeah,
They're not following the Constitution.
So there was no Texas. There's just stolen land by a bunch of clan fucks, and this is what we have.
Oh, I mean, you can't be like that.
Yeah.
You cannot be like that.
No, I'm from here. My people have been here for 10,000 years before there was any Texas.
Okay.
So, like, the history of this land doesn't include Texas. Remember the Alamo?
Yes, I do remember.
They like to say that, and I like to say it too. Hey, how's it going?
Yes. Keep that on, sir.
Oh, keep it on? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Keys. And I got a little necklace. Keep that on?
That's just fine, sir.
Belt. Here we are with the truth speaker. I would have to say he knows a lot more than I do about this stuff. I know generalities, he knows specifics. I can't understand what people are writing in there. Here's a memory of officers of the United States Army who fell at war with Mexico. Bunch of them. This tablet was erected by the National Society of Freemason Colonists. Dams. Colonial dames. The colonial dames of America. I keep learning new shit here. I don't even know what that means. The state of Texas, 1910. There were still plantations in 1910 in Texas, unfortunately. We are here. Telling people they gotta look for their genitalia.